English speaking course. Dialog 1.
Hi, Ben. How are you doing? Oh, hi, Angela. I'm doing fine, thanks. And you? Well, nothing special. Where are you going? To the supermarket. That's great. I'm going there too. My family is having a barbecue at home, so I need to buy some drinks. Oh, wow. Let's go together.
Dialog 2.
Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Jessie. How are things with you? Not bad, thanks. You? Same old, same old. Where are you going? I'm going to my grandmother's house. I bought some fruit juices and bread for her birthday. I want to surprise her. Oh, please send my greetings to her. Thank you so much. Let's hang out another day and have a beer. Great. See ya.
Dialog 3.
Hi, Laura. Hi, Ben. Long time no see. How's everything? Why are you at the hospital? Not so good. I was injured in a car accident yesterday. I'm afraid I broke my finger. I'm sorry to hear that. Take care. Thank you.
Dialog 4.
Mark, what's up? Hi, Lily. Nothing much. I'm just hanging out. What's up with you? It's a good day. I'm feeling fine. How is your brother? Oh, fine. Not much has changed. Well, I have to go. Nice seeing you. Okay. See you later.
Dialog 5.
Hey, Alan. Good morning, John. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. And you? Same as ever. Thank you for asking. So, why are you in a hurry? I'm going to an important meeting, but I woke up late this morning. Well, so go there as fast as you can. It was a pleasure seeing you. Thanks. Goodbye.
Dialog 6.
Oh, hello, Chris. How are you doing? I'm well. Thanks for asking. What's the latest? I can't complain. Life is treating me well. That's good to hear. Good to see you again. I need to go to my doctor's appointment. Okay. Nice seeing you. See you later.
Dialog 7.
Good morning, Professor Justin. How are you doing? Good morning, James. I am doing well. And you? I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this university. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. Please stop by my office on Thursday, okay? It's my pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer all your questions.
Dialog 8.
Hi, Laura. Hey, Jennifer. Good to see you. You too. How have you been? Busy. You? Pretty good. How's your new job? It's okay. There's a lot to learn. What's new with you? Not much. The kids are back at school. Oh, I hope you're doing well. I need to go now. My husband is waiting. See ya. Okay, bye.
Dialog 9.
Hey, Brian. Oh, Jack, what a surprise. I haven't seen you in a long time. How have you been? I'm doing very well. How about you? I finally have some free time. I just finished taking a big examination, and I'm so relieved that I'm done with it.
Dialog 10.
Andy, it's been a long time. How are you, man? Oh, hey, Jay. What a surprise. I haven't seen you in a long time. I'm just okay. How are things with you? I'm doing well. Do you come to this restaurant often? I've been here a couple of times, but I don't come here on a regular basis. Shall we have a beer, bro? Let's get it.
Dialog 11.
Hi, how are you today? Pretty fine, thanks. And you? Just fine. Where are you going? To the library. So see you later. I've finished an extra class. I want to go home and have a rest now. Bye.
Dialogue 12.
Good morning, May. Good morning, Jessie. How's your life? Surviving, thanks. Where are you going? I'm going to the supermarket. That's great. I'm going there too. Let's go.
Dialogue 13.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Mr. Odward. How are you doing? Not so well. I've come down with the flu. I'm sorry to hear that. Take care. Thank you. Hi, Jane. How are you today? How are you? How are things with you? How are you doing? Fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Great. You? I'm doing fine. Not very bad, thank you. Not so well. Nothing special. How's everything? How's everything going? How are things? How's your life? What's the latest? I can't complain too much. Surviving, thanks. Not bad. Not so good. Same as ever. Same old, same old. What are you doing these days? What's the hurry? Why are you in a hurry? Where are you going? What is going on? What's up? I've heard that you are ill. How is it going today?
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.